Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about a PG entrance admission notification. So it is ICAR All India Entrance Examination for admission to master degree programs. So here comes the courses are like MSc, Agri, Plant Biotechnology, Microbiology, similar courses. The institute which has been recognized by ICAR, so it has been there. So it is Indian Council of Agricultural Research. So you can see that the important dates which have been given here. So you can see that the online application date which is last in 31st March. So before 31st March you have to apply, and then before that only you have to pay the full fees. So you can see that the general and then unreserved other backward classes and then non-creamy layers, so they have to pay 1100 rupees, and scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, person with disability, transgender, they have to pay 550 rupees. So here the everything is included with GST. So you can see that the correction when you are entering something wrongly in the application means then there is an opportunity to you. So you can do correction between 25th of April to 2nd May. So you can download the admit cards on 8th May, and the date of examination is 1st June. So you can see that the duration is 2 hours 120 minutes. So for 2 hours you have to write the examination, and the timing is afternoon 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. So the venue of the examination and the shift will be announced in the admit card as well as, and the professional answer keys also will be announced later. So you can see the website which is there, and I will give this in description box so that you can apply. So the description of result, you can see that the declaration of result will be on 15th of June. So it is the time being 15 days after the examination you will get the result. So you can see that the online counseling site also there, it is icar.org.in. So here comes the application for All India Entrance Examination PG. So you have to go with the 4-step application. So first you have to register with your email ID and mobile number. Then you have to go for the personal details and education sector. Then you have to upload the image of 10 KB to 200 KB, and then you have to update your signature and thumb impression. So it is 3 KB to 30 KB you can upload. Then after you will be directed to the payment gateway. So once you have done with the payment through online net banking or else by Google Pay, Paytm somehow, so then it will go to the checkbox. Once you're done with the checkbox you can submit it. So these are some of the instruction, and some instructions which you have to follow is there, which will help you to understand how it is happening. So because all the examination center will be monitored with the securities as well as CCTV camera, so you should not bring any electronic gadgets like mobile, pen drive, headsets like that. And it's better to carry water bottle and then pencil, pen and other utensils that will be help you to concentrate on the examination alone. So that's all. If you would like to get more videos and admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.